welcome back. So we got back from our little beach trip yesterday afternoon. If you know me, my type A personality, I unpacked a lot, but I didn't do my main suitcase. So today's gonna be a post-travel like reset type situation. I've already stripped my bed and my bed sheets are in the dryer. Those I normally do before I go and I didn't this time. I am very tired. My sunburn's like on fire. So I'm gonna unload the dishwasher. I'm also brewing my coffee for the week, my cold coffees, get that taken care of. And then I do need to run to Food Line. There's a couple grocery items I need for meal prepping later this afternoon, and I wanna get some apple cider vinegar. My grandma says if I pat it on my sunburn, it should take the sting out, so maybe I can move more. So it's about 10 minutes to 7. Food Line opens at 7. So I think I'm gonna run up there in just a little bit and get that taken care of, the grocery stuff, so I can come back and focus more on the unpacking and laundry, because I do have a lot of laundry to do. Yeah, you can see it, like my hand's on fire, and I can't believe I burnt my knuckles. I don't normally ever do that. And I've been spraying aloe on me like 3-4 times a day, night, whatever. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But I'm gonna get started with unloading the dishwasher and then get that cold coffee put into its mason jars to cool. I've chilled for a little while longer, but I need to get moving. We're gonna run up to Food Line real quick so I can get a couple grocery items that we need. We'll come back and probably start some laundry because that needs to be done. I'll unpack and then start laundry, but let's go to Food Line. go ahead and try and get a shower so I can wash this hair, and put some fresh clothes on so I can wash this stuff. I'm kind of dreading this because my back's on fire, but I know cooler water might feel good. But we're just gonna get it done so that way I can do the last little laundry because the first one's about to be done. And then I'll probably have some lunch. Oh gosh. Have some lunch and then we'll try to start on some meal prep. Totally dozed off and slept for a couple hours. I was beat. We're gonna try and knock out this meal prep stuff. It's about 4 o'clock. This is the last thing I wanted to get done today. I got the oven preheating to 425 and we're making this recipe up because I've never done this, but it just sounds good. So for dinner, I'm having meatballs with barbecue sauce and coleslaw and tater tots. And I'm thinking I'm gonna roast these with Parmesan seasoning and then throw some cheddar cheese on towards the end to kind of cook into it. So kind of like a cheesy ranch flavor. Broccoli's in the oven, and then I put the crispy crowns tater tots and the what do you call it, meatballs in the air fryer. Those are almost done actually. Wait. Turn it down on a low setting so they don't burn. And then the broccoli I'll probably take out here in just a minute or two and sprinkle some cheese on it.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine, and I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you, and when you go.
All right, I'm gonna go eat my dinner, and then that's pretty much where I'm gonna leave this reset. The only thing left is to take trash out to the curb, which is my normal Monday routine. But yeah, there you have it. I did laundry, got groceries, I meal prepped, and now I'm gonna eat dinner and chill for the rest of my evening. So hope you enjoyed coming along while I reset before I go back to work. And as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.
And leave me here all alone. I'll be waiting, we can make it, because I know